We need to shoot while people move up. Move out. Your gun hits count?
Where'd it hit? Hit! Disabled.
My red dot?
Yeah, if it's a barrel hit, it's not a problem. If it's a main gun hit, you're out.
But my red dot.
Pull it off, use iron. Are you co-witness?
Huh?
Are you co-witness?
I don't know what that means.
That means you can see your iron through your red dot.
Yes.
Keep fighting.
Alright.